Remember, our grandmothers swore by it, that warm, comforting drink they made with turmeric? Well, the West calls it golden milk now, and guess what? It's a hit. From a simple home remedy, it's become a global sensation. Cafes in New York, Los Angeles, everyone is buzzing about it. Even celebrities are hooked. What changed? We started listening to ancient wisdom. And science? It's backing up what our grandmothers knew all along. Golden milk isn't just a tasty drink, it's packed with goodness, especially turmeric. People are looking for alternatives, natural, safe, and effective. Golden milk ticks all the boxes. It's like our ancestors knew the secret to good health all along. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, a shift towards holistic well-being. We are waking up to the power of ancient remedies. Let's travel back in time. Imagine ancient India, thousands of years ago. This is where Ayurveda was born. A holistic system of medicine focusing on balance and harmony. Golden milk? It wasn't just a drink, it was a ritual. Ayurveda recognized the power of turmeric. They called it the golden spice, and for good reason. This vibrant root wasn't just for flavor, it was medicine, a gift from nature. Golden milk, or was the star of Ayurvedic remedies. Turmeric was more than just a kitchen staple. It was revered, used in ceremonies, offered to deities. Why? Because it worked. Ancient healers used it for everything, from soothing coughs to healing wounds. The secret lies in curcumin, a powerful compound found in turmeric. It's what gives turmeric its vibrant yellow hue. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory. Ayurvedic texts like the are filled with turmeric remedies. For centuries, golden milk remained a cherished secret of the East. Passed down through generations, mothers to daughters, grandmothers to grandchildren, it was their gift of health. Then, something amazing happened. The West started paying attention. They discovered the wonders of Ayurveda, and golden milk, it became the star of the show. From ancient scriptures to modern kitchens, golden milk has made its mark. For years the West was skeptical. Turmeric milk? It sounded too good to be true. A simple drink with such powerful benefits? But then, science stepped in. Researchers started studying turmeric, particularly curcumin, and what they found was astonishing. Modern studies confirmed what our ancestors already knew. Turmeric, especially curcumin, was a potent healer. Let's talk about curcumin. This tiny molecule found in turmeric is a powerhouse. Imagine a warrior fighting inflammation in your body. That's curcumin. It targets those pesky inflammatory pathways like NF-κB that cause so much trouble. Curcumin is also a potent antioxidant. Think of it as a shield, protecting your cells from damage. Over 12,000 studies. That's how much research has been done on curcumin. From joint pain to heart health, curcumin shows promise in addressing a wide range of health concerns. Here's the catch with curcumin. It's poorly absorbed by the body. Curcumin is fat-soluble. It needs a little help to get into your system and work its magic. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that boosts curcumin absorption by a whopping 2,000%. And the fat? Well, curcumin loves fat. It dissolves in it, making it easier for your body to absorb. This is why traditional recipes call for whole milk, or add a dash of ghee or coconut oil. Golden milk isn't just a grandma's remedy anymore, it's backed by science. Clinical studies are now proving what people have experienced for centuries. Studies show that curcumin can significantly reduce pain and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis. And the best part, no side effects. That's the beauty of natural remedies. Ready to experience the magic of golden milk firsthand? Let's start with the OG recipe, passed down through generations. It's super simple, even if you've never boiled water before. Gather your ingredients: milk, turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and ginger. Use 1 cup of milk, whole, almond, or coconut. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Don't forget a pinch of black pepper for absorption. Sprinkle in some cinnamon for warmth. Grate fresh ginger for its zingy benefits. Pour milk into a saucepan and add spices. Heat on medium, but don't let it boil. Gentle simmering preserves nutrients. Mastered the classic recipe? Awesome. Now let's get a little fancy and explore some fun variations to elevate your golden milk game. Feeling adventurous? Turn your golden milk into a golden latte. Simply brew a shot of espresso and add it to your warm turmeric milk. The combination of caffeine and turmeric is surprisingly delicious and gives you a natural energy boost without the jitters. Want to boost the health benefits even further? Welcome to the world of biohacking. Add a tablespoon of collagen peptides to your golden milk for a protein punch and to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. Or blend in a teaspoon of MCT oil for a dose of healthy fats that promotes brain function and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own signature golden milk blends. Who says golden milk has to be confined to a mug? Let's get creative and explore some fun and delicious ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet. Remember that leftover turmeric milk from last night? Don't toss it. Mix it with oats, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits for a power-packed breakfast bowl that will jumpstart your day. Love baking? Turmeric adds a beautiful golden hue and a subtle earthy flavor to cakes, cookies, and even pancakes. Simply add a teaspoon or two of turmeric powder to your favorite recipes and watch your treats transform into golden delights. And for a savory twist, whisk some turmeric powder into your next batch of hummus, or sprinkle it over roasted vegetables for an extra layer of flavor and health benefits. Get creative in the kitchen and let turmeric brighten up your meals. Okay, we've talked about history, we've seen the science, but what about real life? Does golden milk actually live up to the hype? You bet it does. People everywhere are ditching their painkillers and embracing this golden elixir. And their stories are pretty amazing. Take Sarah, a hardworking nurse from Oregon. Years of long shifts left her with terrible joint pain. Over-the-counter pills barely touched it. But then, she discovered golden milk. 6 weeks, that's all it took. Her pain reduced drastically. She even cut back on those painkillers. Then there's James, a retired Marine in sunny San Diego. He struggled with sleep, haunted by nightmares. Tried everything, but nothing worked. Until golden milk came along. It's not just personal stories. Hospitals, universities, they're all studying golden milk now. And the results? They're backing up what people have been saying for years. UCLA, a leading university, conducted a study on osteoarthritis. They gave golden milk to a group of patients daily. The results? Amazing. Over 60% experienced significant pain reduction compared to those who didn't. Even skin specialists are recommending it. Dermatologists are seeing the benefits firsthand. Remember those immunity-boosting claims? Well, they're not just marketing hype. A wellness clinic in Florida decided to put golden milk to the test. During flu season, they gave it to a group of teachers. Guess what? They took significantly fewer sick days compared to their colleagues who didn't drink it. And it's not just the flu. Golden milk is showing promise in helping people recover from long COVID. That lingering fatigue, brain fog, it's a nightmare. But some people are finding relief with golden milk. Researchers believe it's because curcumin can actually cross the blood-brain barrier, reducing inflammation in the brain itself. In a world still grappling with the aftermath of a pandemic, golden milk offers a beacon of hope. Hold on, before you rush to make your first golden batch, there are some crucial things to keep in mind. Golden milk's effectiveness hinges on using the right ingredients and being mindful of potential pitfalls. The biggest mistake people make? Falling for cheap, generic turmeric powder. Remember, not all turmeric is created equal. Always choose organic, high-quality turmeric powder that's been tested for purity. Look for a vibrant, bright yellow color. That's a sign of high curcumin content. Those dull, pale yellow powders, they're often irradiated and may contain harmful additives like lead chromate. And here's a secret. The aroma matters. High-quality turmeric has a warm, earthy aroma, almost like a mix of ginger and pepper. If your turmeric smells musty or bland, it's probably lost its potency. We get it, you're excited about golden milk and you want to gulp down gallons of it. But hold on, even natural remedies need to be consumed in moderation. One common mistake people make is going overboard with the turmeric. While turmeric is generally safe, excessive consumption can lead to some not-so-golden side effects. Think digestive issues like bloating and diarrhea, or even kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Stick to the recommended dosage. About half a teaspoon of turmeric powder per cup of golden milk is a good starting point. If you're dealing with any pre-existing health conditions, or are taking medications, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before adding golden milk to your routine. Golden milk is a potent drink, and like any potent substance, it can interact with certain medications or health conditions. For instance, if you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor before incorporating golden milk into your diet. Turmeric's blood-thinning properties can amplify the effects of these medications, potentially leading to complications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also exercise caution. While turmeric is generally safe in culinary amounts, high doses through golden milk can stimulate uterine contractions. Similarly, if you have gallbladder issues, turmeric's ability to increase bile production might exacerbate your symptoms. Avoid consuming calcium-rich foods alongside golden milk. It's best to enjoy your golden milk at least an hour before or after consuming calcium-rich meals or supplements. Drinking golden milk isn't just about the drink itself, it's about embracing a holistic approach to well-being. Think of it as a ritual, a mindful practice that extends beyond the cup. To truly unlock golden milk's transformative power, incorporate it into a lifestyle that supports its benefits. Start with your circadian rhythm, your body's natural clock. Remember how we talked about turmeric boosting melatonin, the sleep hormone? Well, sip your golden milk about an hour before bedtime to enhance its sleep-promoting effects. And in the morning, soak up at least 10 minutes of sunlight to stimulate vitamin D production, another powerful anti-inflammatory agent. What you eat matters too. Avoid sugary treats and processed foods, especially for a few hours after drinking golden milk. These foods spike your blood sugar levels, which can counteract turmeric's anti-inflammatory magic. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, to create a harmonious environment for golden milk to work its magic. Timing is everything, maximizing golden milk's bioavailability. We've already touched upon the importance of black pepper and healthy fats for enhancing curcumin absorption, but did you know that timing also plays a crucial role? Ayurveda, with its emphasis on aligning with nature's rhythms, offers valuable insights. Traditionally, golden milk is recommended either 30 minutes before bedtime or first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Consuming it before bed allows your body to fully absorb curcumin's goodness while you sleep, promoting restful slumber and cellular repair. On the other hand, drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning ensures maximum absorption and allows those anti-inflammatory compounds to work their magic throughout the day. Golden milk's versatility extends far beyond a simple beverage. Remember how we talked about turmeric's skin-soothing properties? Well, put that leftover golden milk to good use. Mix it with oats for a nourishing face mask that calms inflammation, reduces redness, and leaves your skin glowing. Love to move? Combine your golden milk ritual with gentle exercise for enhanced benefits. Whether it's a few yoga stretches, a brisk walk, or some foam rolling, movement helps deliver curcumin to your muscles and joints, easing soreness and promoting flexibility. And here's a bonus tip. Amplify golden milk's stress-busting effects by incorporating mindfulness. As you savor each sip, focus on the warmth of the mug in your hands, the aroma filling your senses, and the feeling of gratitude for this ancient elixir. Remember, golden milk is more than just a drink, it's a journey towards holistic well-being. From the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to modern science, the journey of golden milk is remarkable. What started as a humble home remedy has now taken the world by storm. It's a testament to nature's healing touch, reclaiming ancient wisdom, embracing holistic well-being, and prioritizing our health naturally. So as you sip your next cup of golden milk, remember, you're part of a global movement towards a healthier, more vibrant life.